best VPN application out there today around the world, guys. I've been taking you on a tutorial to pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the application. And here at the top you may see fastest server section. Just tap on that. You pretty much will see all the server that they have available. And you might see a little Chrome icon beside of some of the servers. Those are pretty much the premium subscription servers, so go watch those. So over here you have pretty much the account section and the server section. If you have any problem, you can contact them, and do make sure you log in if you're going to purchase their subscription. So at the top here you may see a crown icon. This is pretty much where you go to get your premium subscription, and you can see all the prices and pretty much what to be getting once you get their premium subscription. Also, you can get a 7 days free trial if you want to try their premium subscription and pretty much their servers, their premium servers. So if it's worth it, or if you want to continue, you can always let it stay and renew and you're good. So that's pretty much it for that. So let's go back into the server section here. So if I go here, pretty much how to connect this VPN. So you go in the server section and you select which one is server you want to select. If you have a premium subscription, you can scroll and select some different servers. As you can see here, they have quite a lot of servers, guys. So you can scroll down and look for what you want. But I'm only limited to these servers here. But if you want the fastest server, I recommend the smart location, which pretty much give you automatically connect you to the best free server. Or if you have a premium subscription, it will connect to the best premium server. And over here it says recommended. This is pretty much the streaming section for the gaming, YouTube, Hulu, all of those streaming websites. So each server of a specific website that it works for or optimized for. So let's say for this Indian server, it pretty much optimized for YouTube. So do make sure you look at that before you try to connect to any one of these servers, so you can get the best result when using it with the specific thing that it's optimized for at the streaming website that it's optimized for. So that's pretty much it for that there. So let's say I've selected a server. I'm just going to select a random server. We'll ask for connection request and stuff, and okay. We'll start connecting in no time. As you can see here, I'm connected. So once you're connected, it will just show up the subscription page there. Just exit off and go back. And you're connected, guys. You're connected and you can browse the internet, not have to be worried. So there is the app to use, and if I've missed anything at all, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one.